Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to know your email open and read on Gmail. Let me show you how to do that in a simple track. Yes, from a laptop or desktop I just open Gmail account and I just want to go to sent items, whether I have sent all the mails, whether it is read or not. I would like to know what I have to do here. Simple and easiest tip I just want to share with you. Just go to Google, search and just type email tracker for Gmail. So once you click here, automatically it will move into Chrome browser, web store, google.com. So just hit the button, automatically it will direct into the email tracker by mail tracker, so that this will be a tracker for mail track. So just click here to add to Chrome. So once you click here to add to Chrome, so you need to add the extension to your Chrome browser, so that it will be automatically add into your Chrome browser, so you can able to see whether they have read your email or not. Like WhatsApp, you can see the green tick whether they read or not, so that 7 minutes ago they have read and first 1 minute after you sent it is read. Like that it will be show like this. So simple and easiest way, once I click here to add to Chrome, automatically the mail tracker will be added into my Gmail. Yes, as you see here, almost done. Mail tracker need to connect to your Gmail, so that once the installation is happened, means automatically mail suite will be connect to your Gmail. So just click here to sign in with your Google account. So this is my account, personal account. I just want to connect the email tracker into my Gmail. So just want to continue this one. So once I continue this one, automatically it will direct into my email account, so that it is easy to track my entire mail for my business and any purposes. So read, compose and these things in a permanently way. So just click here to continue, so that I can able to see the tracking options will be ready for me. So this is a beautiful option while I just want to check whether everything's perfectly alright. Yes, I have added this one. Just go to my email account. Automatically your email account will be open here, as you see here, so that you can able to see your tracker over here. Yeah, so on top you will find your extension in your Chrome browser and you will find this one. So just email tracker by email, so that it will be easy to have access. Just pin this one and you just click here, automatically that email tracker will be added into your mail, so that you can able to see whether your email had read or not while you sent. So just go to sent options, you can able to see whether your mails are sent and read by your clients or your audience or anyone else. As you see here, so my email tracker will be added over here. So I just want to see your email was read in 2 times. I just want to enable this tracker with me. So getting started your mail suite, so it will take time to with you are already connected. So it is loading over here, so within a minute it will connect and it will work for your email. Simple and easiest way. So I just want to monitor whether my email had read or not. So for example, I just want to give all kind of things without any other delay. So it's a simple way. So mail suite disabled is there. Just hit the button to enable. So enabling mail suiting, so that once this one enable, automatically your mail will be enabled with. So this is a free, you can sign up for free unlimited mail tracker, so that it will be easy for you. Yeah, so once I enable free and just go to Gmail. So welcome to mail suite will be pop-up will be open here. Just close this button, so that you can able to see my sent will be in a double tick and green color, so you can able to see. So these are mails which are sent, so that they can able to see, and it will be a double tick, means automatically it will be read with a sending mails. Okay, so yeah, so similarly I can able to see the sent mails will be there. So whether they read or not, it will be display over here. So as I see that, so simple and easiest way you can identify whether you sent the mail, whether they have read or not. While you compose the mail also, you can able to see, and you can able to enable for free, because this is 100% free, sent mail by the mail suitor. So if you want, you can use this one, or just remove. so that do not include unsubscriber email or skip unsubscribers. So you don't want to give the ads to that, so just remove this one with a continue, and you can able to see with the simple and easiest way your email, the double tractor will be there, so that while you send a mail, automatically it will display you to your account. Yes, so simple and easiest way you can send your mail, and you can able to see and track. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.